All right, guys. So we're gonna do a couple problems to help us review for our quiz today. So I'm gonna start off with the first two. So we have what's the value of 2 plus -5 plus -3/5. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take 2 and we're going to add that to -5. Now, the first thing you need to remember is you have to take the absolute value and subtract them, okay? So you have the absolute value of -5. We know that that is 5. And we know that the absolute value of 2 is 2. Remember, absolute value is always going to be positive. So I'm going to subtract 5 minus 2, and I get 3. And we take the sign of the biggest absolute value. So -5 has the biggest absolute value. So that means that 3 is going to be negative. Okay? So now we have to add -3/5. So I have -3. So this right here is -3 plus my -3/5. So now we have to see if that is. So the easiest way to think about this, guys, is these two signs right here are negative. So when you're adding two negatives, you just keep the sign and you add them together. So a whole number plus a fraction, you just put it together. So since the sign is going to stay negative, since they're both negative, you add and keep. Be 3, -3, and 3/5. Just kind of like merge them together. And that's your answer. Okay?